You can never be too clean when it comes to your sewer hose. Hi, I'm Ethan with Bankston Parts, and this is the all-in-one sewer hose rinser kit by Camco. The Camco RhinoFlex 10-inch RV cleanout hose with rinser cap allows you to rinse your sewer hose after dumping for more sanitary storage. The hose rinser cap attaches to any 3-inch bayonet fitting and creates a watertight seal. It features a 4-way pressure blaster for better cleaning and a water shutoff valve. The Rhino hose is bright orange so that it doesn't get mixed up with your drinking water hose. You can use it by simply attaching the orange cleanout hose to a water source. Attach the cleanout cap to the water hose, then attach the cleanout cap to your sewer hose. After all that, turn the water on and let it run till it's clear. The kit includes a rinser cap and an orange 10-foot long hose. If you have any more questions about this product or any other products, visit us at one of our parts stores or contact us at bankstonparts.com.